What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Julie back again with another YouTube video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this sleek ponytail with no glue and no needle or thread. So stay tuned to get this look.
Oh Lord of His mercy. The west side girls are extra fine. Like apple pie. The East Coast. The girls are down the ride, but I rep the west side.
So in this process, I'm just going in with some edge control and some eco styler, and I'm brushing it back to avoid any bumps or imperfections in this ponytail. And then I'm just going to secure it with an elastic band or scrunchie, whatever you want to call it. And I'm also going in with a fine tooth comb, so that way everything is just neat. So I just like to go in with some Got To Be just to keep this ponytail lasting me a while. You can avoid this step, or you could just use regular hairspray. So I like to use extra scrunchies for this ponytail, like I'm talking about snatch, facelift, and all, okay? So this is the first band, and then I think I go in with another, 2 bands, you already know. Literally snatched, okay? And so we're just gonna go in with some more edge control, get all the flyaways, keep everything neat. Okay, so this part is very important. You want to make sure you're making very small sections while you're doing this comb over. So I'm adding more Got To Be in the black bottle, and so what this helps with is just molding it better than regular eco styling gel. So this part usually takes the longest, but you have to be patient with it. This is also another optional step, but I think it makes the hairstyle. And then what you're going to do is secure the swoop with the rest of the ponytail with another band. And these bundles are from lovemehair.com.
Girls are extra fine. The south side. They like apple pie. The East Coast. Oh Lord, girls are down the ride. The west side.
Yeah,
I'm done. I basically just braid my hair. Okay, so for some reason I got lazy while talking, so I just decided to do voiceover. So what I'm doing is combing my hair. I normally do not comb my hair out with a tail comb. I usually use a wide tooth comb. So please do not follow this step if you have big, poofy, and curly hair like myself.
The west side. Girls are extra fine. The south side.
I already have castor oil in my hair, so the castor oil basically just seals my ends. So here I'm just going to be going in with some Hold and Shine Shea Moisture Mist. I like to use it because it seals my ends and also holds my hair in place when I keep it in this braid. So great stuff. For this specific hairstyle, you want to make sure your braid is nice and tight. I'm not that great at it, but as you can see here, I want to make sure. Now I look like Snoop Dogg right now, but you feel me? what it looks like.
The East Coast.
Oh, slipped out braid.
Girls all down the ride.
So what you want to do here is fold the bundles in half, so that way the two ends can meet. Like so. So right where the bundle folds in the half, you're gonna want to put a bobby pin there. So make sure that everything is even. And so you're gonna take a bobby pin and then place it downward into the bundle. Face it downward and out, like so. And then you're going to take your mini braid and put it at the thick piece of the braid and then just put it down so it's like that. And then the trick so it doesn't start poking out of nowhere is to hold it down while you're wrapping the bundles around your braid. Make sure you're doing this tight, so wrap it going upwards but very tight. And try not to get the bundles very tangled. Just keep at it. What I wanted to originally do was do the gluing method, but then I was like, I have never worked with glue a day in my life and I do not want to ruin my hair, so I'd rather just do a style that I know, easy cleanup, and I'm familiar with, and that's just bundles and my own hair. So I was like, yes, I'm here for it. And I love doing this ponytail now because it's so easy and it's such a look. Okay, so now where it stops, this bundle stops before this one. So what I'm going to do is, where the shortest piece stops, I'm going to put a bobby pin at it. But the same way we put it downward for the first bobby pin, we're going to just do it for that section of hair. And then keep the long piece rolling. And then bobby pin that piece. So it looks like that. And as you can see, no bobby pins are peeking through. Everything's nice and smooth. So far, I can put it behind me and it's nice. Now, we're gonna move on to the next bundle. So, boom, this is the shorter bundle. And I also think that the hair length on this one is shorter than the one that I just put in my hair. So if you have those type of bundles where it's just like one is probably shorter than the other, it's fine. I promise you it's still gonna come out long because remember, you're starting from the bottom, so no matter how short your bundles are, it's still gonna be pretty lengthy because you're starting at the bottom, not the top. What I used to do is just keep rolling and rolling and rolling and wrapping at the nape of my ponytail, and that was just like super bulky and not cute. So this tutorial is definitely sleek, definitely snatched. So same thing we did to the last bundle. We do this, and I just realized I used an even amount of bobby pins. I think I used 6 in total. So we used 1 here, and then 2 for the wrapping, 1 here, 2 for the wrapping that I have left. I just kept the bobby pins when I did this hairstyle before. So where you stopped is where you're gonna bobby pin, and then continue to wrap. It doesn't matter which direction you start wrapping, honestly. I don't even remember what direction I started wrapping it. I think it was clockwise. But keep going. what I like to do is take some edge control. This is the touchdown, what I used previously in my hair. I'm gonna use like smaller than a penny size. And then I just apply it here. And then you could take the comb . So just keep in mind that when you are wrapping, make sure that the strand that you are trying to wrap around your ponytail stays flat. And then just go ahead and secure it with a bobby pin without sticking yourself. Okay, so here it is, the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more videos and what you guys would like to see from me and everything else. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Stay blessed, well dressed, and refreshed, and you know the rest. G-Babies out.